Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify this given problem 2020 minus 18 divided by negative 3 power 2, and we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here are the order of operations that we will be using. These are called PEMDAS or BORDMAS. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So therefore, we are going to focus on this parentheses and exponent. And here I have copied down negative 3 power 2 since this exponent is taking care of only this 3. So this could be simplified to negative 3 power 2 is 9. So this is going to be negative 9. And now if you are wondering what if we have a negative 3 power 2, then this is negative 3 times negative 3 means that's going to be positive 9. So you can see the difference between these two scenarios. So therefore, we are going to replace this negative 3 square by simply negative 9. So therefore, we can write this one 2020. We're going to leave this one as it is, minus 18, and then divided by, in parentheses, negative 9. And now next, our order of operation is going to be this division. So we're going to take care of this part. And here I have copied down negative 18 divided by negative 9. So this could be written as negative 18 and then divided by negative 9 as a fraction. And here we can see that this negative and negative cancels out. So this reduces to just simply 2. So we can see that this whole part has been simplified to 2. 2 is same as positive 2. So therefore we can write this one 20 and this thing just simply positive 2. If we add these one, that's going to give us 22, and that's our simplified answer. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be a 22. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.